Welcome to Tech Talk. My name is Diamond, and I'm here with Steve, one of our technicians from ICP-DAS USA. Steve is going to answer questions submitted by our customers. So let's get started. How do you build and run a successful building automation system?
Successful building automation system is made by a centralized and networked system of hardware and software. So the building automation system should be able to monitor and control all the facility systems, such as our power consumption, lighting, plumbing, HVAC, water supply, etc. So a centralized location like a control room should have the ability to control all systems in the building and override them in case of malfunction or emergency. So running a successful building automation is essential to maintain a well building environment and optimize energy demands and able to send out alert during emergency. So a robust building automation system can make our building more environmental friendly, user friendly, and safer than a regular old style building. As you can see from the picture, it has built a different system on different floor and over the whole building. So they will be able to connect or communicate to the central control room and give them lifetime data, a real-time data. So in the central control room, we can have the InduSoft SCADA system. It will be able to give the operator the overall picture of all the real-time data, and they can build a good graphic to display everything on the same screen. Those are different products we have. For example, like our security system, lighting control system, HVAC system, or the last question I answered, like we have the air box, the environmental sensor, even as switch, IR, DL series, they can all build over the floor so that to measure the environmental data. And the most importantly is the power consumption. Our power, single phase and three phase power meter can measure power and give the operator know the energy demands in real time. So in order to run a successful building automation system, so first, a automation system design should be designed properly and built so that the data can be shared, monitored, and controlled in a central control room. So second, the engineer should design how data can be displayed and controlled. As my example, I recommend using InduSoft to SCADA software to monitor and control the data. So many buildings also have redundant design for all systems. For example, user can have limited control on some system, like the HVAC and lighting control. They can only control it using a light switch or using a touchpad to control the lighting. But the central control also always have the full control of all systems to override them if necessary. So third, automated system must be able to monitor all data at all times. So for example, if when there is a fire, the smoke detector will be triggered and send signal to control room, and it will automatically trigger the alarm, sprinkler, or even call 911. So the software is the brain of the building automation system. So it will be located in the control room that lead to our fourth reason to running a successful system. So a well-made HMI and logic control software is very important because SCADA software is the best solution for any automation system. It has its logic and graphic, so they must be clearly show how all the equipment data and status. By using InduSoft, which is one of the full-scale SCADA software, the programmer can put animation and custom graphic to show the equipment status. Having a clear picture of the system will help engineer to troubleshoot and maintenance. Of course, everything will require maintenance and inspection. So in order to run a successful system, all hardware and software require inspection to avoid any breakdown in the future.
If you would like your questions answered in our next Tech Talk, send them to our tech team at tech@icpdas-usa.com. And if you want to learn more about the products in this video, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.